We see two lines over here, that is this line as well as this line, and also another line. This line is the transversal, which cuts both these lines. So also we see that we have a arrow mark that is like this as well as like this. So this means these two lines are actually parallel lines, and this is a transversal to these parallel lines. So therefore, all the theorems applicable to parallel lines cut by a transversal are applicable over here. So in this case, we are concerned about the angles 5 as well as angle 1. Clearly, we can see that angle 5 and angle 1 are same side interior angles. So we use the theorem same side interior angles theorem. In this theorem, the sum of the same side interior angles are supplementary. That means measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 5 equals 180 degree. And we are given the expression for angle 1 and angle 5. So let's substitute these two into this equation. So I'm going to substitute measure of angle 1 as 10x minus 10. So I write down this as 10x minus 10 plus measure of angle 5 is given as 30x plus 30. So let me replace this as 30x plus 30 equals 180. Now we collect the like terms, that is 10x plus 30x is 40x, and then we have 30 negative 10 is 20. So I write plus 20 equals 180 degrees. Now we have to find the value of x first. So I'm going to keep 40x over here and subtract 20 from both sides. So when I do that, I get 180 minus 20 is 160. Now we divide both sides by 40 to determine the value of x. So we do like this. And when we do that, we see that we can cancel these 40s, as well as 160 goes into 40 as 4 times. So therefore, we can say that the value of x equals 4. Since we have determined the value of x equal to 4, to know the value of angle 1 and angle 5, we can substitute into this equation. So let me copy the measure of angle 1. We have measure of angle 1 equals 10x minus of 10 degrees. So when we replace x equal to 4, we get 10 times of 4 is 40. 40 minus 10 is 30. So measure of angle 1 we get as 30 degree. And we have the expression for measure of angle, that is 30x plus 30. So let me write here, that is the measure of angle 5 equals 30x plus 30, and we replace x by 4. So when we replace x by 4 here, this is 30 times of 4 is 120 plus 30 is 150 degrees. So therefore, we get the measure of angle 1 equals 5 equals 30 degree, and measure of angle 5 equals 150 degree. So these are the values of the both angles, and the theorem is same side interior angle theorem. Interior angles theorem. So we select this option, which gives these two answers, that is same side interior angles theorem, and the angles 1 and angle 5 are given as 30 and 50 degree. So we have to choose the first option as the answer for this question.